Shubor nag-Shim jong Nongsan Hima.
Nongïalam ke Liangpyrshah Dr. Mukul sangma Haba keren berkilat patah kubor hadin balakot ke sengis dang jong kejing syong dorbar Kynthoh jor yak Sorkar jala ba kamshim Khia Haba day berkejing thayitu ya Dewïong. Dr. Mukul sangma ula penrabru da kabaong tang gitu kibru ke bakwa ban buri ya kejing sisa kile buri hak kejing sisa ke Sorkar kam day ban buri ya kejing sisa Shushu ula penrabru da kabaong ban lapi kejing sisa badi gitrai jong ki Dewïong ke Sorkar ke de benti penya bah nadu penrai pause kam don kejing Shim Khia nagaleng jong ke Sorkar penlap ya kejing sisa.
Is it not the responsibility of the state to find out and come clean? I have a copy of that one which was provided to me in my WhatsApp. I can share with you. And another thing is that I will also share with you photograph that was taken when the DC was handing over the number of truckloads which was in West Jaintia Hills. What's the name of that? Nerangla. The place? Klirangna. Okay. This is the picture. 1064 truckloads. 1064. Okay. Now, this is counted by the Deputy Commissioner and the District Mining Officer himself. Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills. Are there not the evidence from the ground zero? Now, it's the responsibility of the government to take all necessary measures under the mandate of the law to protect the interests of the state. So, evidence includes measures to be taken to unearth the truth. Only people who want to hide the truth would like to avoid such exercise. If people want to prove themselves that nothing illegality is going on and it is correct, then they have to verify whether what is being brought before the government is correct, truth or not. It's as simple as that. There should not be prompt denial. Prompt denial only indicate that there is a reason to believe that they are not willing to really tell the truth or rather trying to hide the truth. It's interesting now. It's a complex situation, people have to understand. Many people were asking me, what is unclaimed coal? This word unclaimed coal has come up as an offshoot of a well-scripted modus operandi. That is what I have said. There is a claim that, some coal has been dumped somewhere and then owner is not known, and therefore somebody files a complaint before the Deputy Commissioner, then Deputy Commissioner asks for an inquiry, then after the inquiry is done, then he is asked to indicate the quantity, then after that the officers are asked to file an FIR. Then after that they say that, this is an unclaimed coal, there is no owner. Now tell me one thing, how there is no unclaimed coal? All the land belong to somebody. You have seen it in Garo Hills. The owners have come. The land owners have come. The land owners know who are the owners. Have you tried to find out? Have they interrogated the land owners? Meaning, that means there is no effort. As we can see, no effort at all from the government to really find out whether any illegalities are going on or not. That is the biggest question. And that is what we have found out. Now, the moment an investigation is done, the moment the land owners in whose land the consignments are being dumped, once they are interrogated, they will be telling you who are the owners, where the coal is coming from. So this is what is happening. That's why I'm saying they must have had quite a, they must have put their brains together to script a new modus operandi to proceed with this so-called unclaimed coal. And This we have seen in West jails. What is the intention? You can be analytical and find out. Now that's what we want from the government. Government should come clean on this. Now if 1,41,000 coal is not there, then whether it has been illegally transported, it's up to them to find out in the interest of the state. Do I have to tell them everything? Is it my job alone? It's not only my job, it's everybody's job. It's the job of the people who are in the government. Another thing, I saw Chief Minister saying that the opposition is confused. Opposition is not confused, Dr. Mukul Sharma is not confused at all. 32 lakh metric ton. Why did I say that, okay, you proceed ahead with the auctioning of 32 lakh metric ton as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court? Why? Because if it is not there, then you will know. If it is there also, you will know. But if you are doing piecemeal, if the government is doing auctioning in a piecemeal, 1 lakh metric ton, 2 lakh metric ton, it will take how many years, tell me? The judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court was pronounced on the 3rd July last year. This is more than a year now. Till now, they have not auctioned. Till now. They are saying that, okay, auctioning, there are many, legalities. Come on, man, if they can auction the so-called unclaimed coal so fast, even during holidays. You look at the notification. During holidays, during Christmas time, notification when everybody is busy, in a festive mood. That's the time. And very fast. But in this case, why are they slow? Now, 32 lakh metric ton must be auctioned on time so that if it is not there, we will all know. And if it is not there, then government must verify through a process of law, as per the law, and find out who is responsible for any disappearance of such coal. It's the job of the government. I have brought in this issue. It's before the government, it's before the people, before the state. Now it's the job of the government. Thank you.